Hey everyone, this is another tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to open the motor of Protos, the 8-inch one. And so for demonstration we have just created this small setup. So you might need to keep it at much greater height, because the handlebar will obstruct. So this is the kind of height you might need, or you can also turn it sideways and then do it. That is also another way. So first thing we need to do is open these covers. You can see this black cover where this main cable goes inside. So open these four bolts using Allen key. So once you open, you will find controller and everything. You will check out our other videos. There you can find how the controller is inside. So just for simple demonstration, we are just showing this cable. This is coming from the motor. These are of different colors: yellow, green and blue. These are the phase wires from the motor. And this particular motor is without hall sensors, so you will only find these 3 wires. Now since the battery is inside, you can't just simply pull out this wire from the other side. So you will have to tie it and pull the wire till it reaches the battery, near the battery. It won't go in under the battery. So you will have ample amount of length remaining to work with the motor. So first thing we will do is we will tie. bandena isko. So we will tie with these 3 wires together. Okay. Now from the rear end we will pull it. Khichna wire. Bas. So now it has reached here. There isn't battery, but approximately at this length the wire will stop due to the the connectors. So once this is done, you will remove the brake cable entirely. Then you will remove this nut which is there for the this holds the drum brake. Isko kholo. So we'll, using the 4 number Allen key, we'll remove this. Now we will use 19 number wrench to open these. There will be a wing nut, but that is very easy to remove. Just for demonstration we have. So this way you have now removed the now this motor can be pulled out like this from here. So you will have this amount of length remaining for working. So you will have to turn the scooter sideways on the ground, maybe. So like this is scooter, you can put it on the ground like this, and then you will have space on the ground to work. So you are creating a similar situation here. तो निकाल दो वायर, नीचे इसको रखो. Okay. Now what we'll do, you will find these bolts on the motor. We will open all of these. Now you will also need a hammer, a wooden block, because when we take out this part, we might need to struck it over the wood. If you struck it directly on the ground, then this thread will get damaged and the nut won't go over it. So for that we need a wooden block. to save the threads. And this, once you have opened this, so this can be also taken out. So this is the drum brake. Now why we are opening the motor, sometimes not happens very frequently, but in some cases, there might be a carbon residue and the motor might seem a bit jammed. So in that case we are going to clean it. So अब इसको खोलो. As you can see, from this side it is coming out. So now you need to peel out the tire also. Okay. So don't let the tire remain inside. So once this part has come out, you will see that this is how the motor is. Now you don't need to do any hammering. Just put a piece of block here and then we will press this down. This is just the magnet holding it. Now we can like this take out. Now since this is a fresh motor, you won't see any dust, but in case you have used the motor extensively, so you will clean this all area. If any dust is there, we will just dust it out, and also the coil part. So while putting it back, be very careful. These are neodymium magnets. These are very strong magnets, so when you put it inside, it goes by force, very fast. So you need to be careful. हाथ हटा के. Now we will put it back. Okay. So now the coil is again back in place. Now we will go in the reverse manner. We will put this over the top and match the holes. थोड़ा सा इससे हैमर से करो. हैमर. So again place this wood and do match these holes so that we can put the bolts back. So if the holes are not matching, just in this manner you can rotate it a bit so that holes match completely. And now the holes are matching, and now we'll put back. Now we'll place these bolts and tighten everything. So this is the way. Now we can again, after these bolts have been tightened, we can again put this back, and in the same manner we will place the motor over this and then pull out the wire to correct length, and then the bolts that we opened, those we can again place them back. So this is the entire process. So let us know if you have any other query. We will let you know how to solve all these problems. Now again we will put back the wing, the washers first, and then this, so we don't have on this particular thing. Just we need to do so we will match the hole for the brakes, and then we will just put these nuts back, then we will pull back the wire. So and then again we will do the connection and then close that cover. So this is how you can do it, and if you have any other questions, please do ask. I will keep uploading different tutorials on different topics. Thank you for watching, and if you hear coughing sound in between, so that's because I've got cold, so sorry for that.